Indiana's been a home for limestone quarries since 1860. Our stone's in the Pentagon, Empire State Building, Michigan Central Station. My grandfather, well, he quarried the blocks out of the ground for 12 cents an hour for the Michigan Central Station Railroad, somewhere between 1911 and 1915.
The real ornate work on the front, limestone was quarried from the quarry here in Indiana 100 years ago. As we started to do its restoration, we found out not having the roofs on the building and having decay and water, the stonework on the front, especially the top capital work, has been really worn away. Now we're back the same quarry where we can get this limestone and reworking it to put it back on.
When you're restoring a building, you want it to be as exact as it can to the original. So the best thing you can do is go find the original stone, the original site in which it was extracted, and that's the fortunate part we were able to do here.
Brandon sent me some pictures on the computer and wanted to know if I know what kind of stone that was in the pictures. And I said, yeah, it's dark hollow rift. He said, how do you know that? And I said, well, I quarried a bunch of that back in the 80s down there, and I can take you right to it.
Having Jim Hillenberg, knowing the history, being multi-generation in this industry, it's absolutely key. I don't know anyone else we could have turned to find this information.
It means a whole lot to be a third-generation limestone worker.
Finding this is like striking gold here.
Where the quarry is and the condition of it, we're really pretty lucky. This is the same stone. We're just bringing it out 100 years later.
I think the incredible thing about the train station is the building really will be put back the way it was when it was built in 1913.